Hello, children. Today we'll read the second chapter from the Honeysuckle book, that is, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So, before moving on to the chapter, let me tell you that dogs and wolves, they are closely related. They belong to the same family. Even you should know that centuries ago, wild animals, they have been mastered and tamed by man. That is, centuries ago, human beings, they have domesticated as well as tamed wild animals. So basically this story, it will inform us how a dog became a domesticated animal or a tamed animal. So, in olden times, dogs, they used to live in the forest just like wolves. They were bold, they were free, even they were not afraid of anyone. They were their own masters. Then one day, there happened to be a dog who was not happy with his own way of life. He did not like going out, he did not like searching for food. He was sick of being frightened to those who were stronger than him. So he wanted to get rid of his life. So he thought and decided to look for a master who was strongest on this earth. So as the dog did not like his own way of life, he wanted a master who could be stronger than anyone on this earth. Clear? So, to find his master, the dog walked and began his search. And first of all, the dog met a big wolf. He asked the wolf if he would like to be his master. The wolf agreed. Even the wolf accepted him as his servant. Then both of them, they started walking, and on the way, both of them met a bear. Seeing the bear, the wolf tried to hide himself in a bush. That means the wolf was afraid of the bear. Looking at this, the dog was shocked. The dog was surprised. And on inquiring, the dog came to know that the wolf considered the bear to be stronger than him. So when the dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf, what he did? He left the wolf and went to the bear to be his servant. Then very soon the dog found that the bear was afraid of lion. So what the dog decided now? Now the dog decided to serve the lion, because he found that lion is stronger than the bear. So he went near the lion. Even the lion also agreed to accept the dog as a servant. Then after that, the dog lived very happy. He lived happily with the lion for a longer period of time. Even he enjoyed a secure and a happy life. Clear? So first the dog went to the wolf to serve the wolf. Then he found that wolf is afraid of bear. So he left the wolf and became the servant of bear. Next, when he found that lion is stronger than the bear, so he left the bear and served the lion. And after that, he enjoyed a secure and a happy life. Clear? Next, as the lion was the strongest animal in the forest, so no one dared to touch or offend the dog. But what happened next? Once it happened that both of them, that is the dog and the lion, they were walking side by side among the rocks on a narrow path. Suddenly, the lion saw a man and he asked the dog to run away with him. Otherwise, they would be in trouble. As soon as the dog realized that man was the strongest creature on the earth, so what the dog did now? So the dog left the lion and went to the man. So since then, then the dog has been staying with the man and he became the most loyal servant of man and knows no other master except man. So basically this story is about a dog finding for himself a master. And finally, he finds himself a master in humans. So he decided to serve the human and became loyal to human. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story, how the dog found himself a new master, is that to be humble and serving. So this is all about the chapter. Thank you.